And what I've seen as of yesterday, that Chairman Wontumi will be their next national chairman. Chairman Wontumi, granted God gives him long life, which I pray he has, he showed. He will be their next general.
Now, what's a big TV of Sonranaji? A Sammy Tina Cost, and when Phobia Mohammed. Now, meeting the very successful, middle of next month, on 20 years. Obesaba, but I in this year, Obesaba.
The appeal now, lawyers for the Sombe Kono, I know Ebefa.
As time goes on, I'm betting when so in fairness of, but not any Hibia.
And this regime media on my feet.
Oh, there be all my fear.
Okay.
All my fear.
All right.
Fear the old man and this regime.
Okay.
Senipetia Sema. How we end to Chairman Wontumi. Me cancer Chairman Wontumi would have become the national chairman of MPP. And that is the agenda of God for him. But me can say the only thing that will stop him is the prison gate. Me shall come 2024 election during the election. Say na me who at the end of this okay. Na me call Akosomo. Akoye direction ama the oye MP on that side. Me do around Japan. Is it Japan? One of the towns. And I'm going to say me drive. Me ana me drive.
Okay.
Me kwa na mo say me ni BA. And I'm going to say Chairman Wontumi jina prison gate ano. In Sawam.
Okay.
Na prison gate no so no jina gate na no a. Ayi prison officers mienu ejina ne nchen. Ona me see there binti me pebebi parke. And I'm bomb pie said then ekoso. And I'm sure vision no. At the two. Even this year, prominent pedophobe said the home common. Many people from pedophobe the home common. Nkophobia Misusu say, Omo Beno, Ombetumi Beno, Ama Omotumi Ekasa Obiti. Chibutumu say, Penny be Panameno, Edim Koma Mekase.
Okay.
You know, I'm Beneno, Edi home common. As then I may send no. Message I may send no, which me.
Okay, or say, I saw the prison gate open. And Chairman Wontumi entering the prison and sharing tears. But prayer intervention can save him from jail.
But there's another jail term.
For Chairman Wontumi again?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, there's another court case I'm seeing. I know so almost a man another jail term in that case.
Okay.
I don't be man more than 5 years. They be see children near mom paya and on a misro.
Bibi be sense ye chire.
Yes. Yeah, say the be see children one shall yen tears and power prison.
But if for there they be see chire.
Arewo. What 3 mubru 1 year and tears and power.
Everything looks like there's a good news coming from Chairman Wontumi in Sewon prison. I saw 4 and 9 Edin Komo. Ebi who said there's a good news coming. Ebi who say I didn't me intervene. But so the more say subscribe page me at the man's family. So me have to unsa able to make. Ebi so answer na ye better Chairman Wontumi. Na senior prophet na Jegezi the king Edin Komo say he sees Chairman Wontumi emerging as a national chairman of the MPP.
Okay. That is about your prophet on about the MPP plan.
Yeah.
You promised for Baumia.
Yeah.
So how about the general election on 2020?
So far, I don't want to speak. I know who, by the message of God, will be the next president of the Republic. But time is a factor, and so I'm believing God that He has already shown me. When the time is due, I'll announce it to the nation.
Is it going to be NDC or MPP?
Like I said, for where I stand, it's a sensitive position. So I will wait. The first thing was to make sure that they are done. And what I've seen as of yesterday, that Chairman Wontumi will be their next national chairman. Chairman Wontumi, granted God gives him long life, which I pray he has, he showed. He will be their next general.
Interna or dance homie. Baby name is say, would that prophecy so come to pass? Maybe he can say, is there anything too hard for the Lord? Say Onyame Wontumi nyana. And look what I say. Reverend O.A. and Sanswe Dinkomo say, when we say meeting be air course behind the scene, na Chairman Wontumi and sure only 6 months in po no free so prison and when dia proswano I 1 year because Chairman Wontumi to me enter na honum sa.
Before Basa restore or city. I can say that 22nd. Where the Chairman Wontumi be no. Utie. Now what's a big TV of Sonranaji? Na some meeting course and when phobia move home. Now meeting be successful. Middle of next month, on 20 years. Obesaba, what shall be this year? Obesaba. What shall we need the space of a year? Shall I want to present? Any case, and then on the 22nd of July, maybe I say that we need shall I want to open a profile of who's selling a young hotel. And it was simply by the two higher or Kanoni, but then get money. Shama to be because say you didn't say Shama to mean them one. I can profile. I was so them. Shama to be just there 200.
Now, senior prophet Emmanuel Walasi, I was no baby now. A target say he was once upon a time NDC prophet and now be MPP prophet. I'm so the come say. Chairman want to meet him before and original. As long as NDC are buying a was in quantity, Chairman want to me back here because I won't say NDC are buying a decade spending 2 years. I can't just 2 years. You know, he is not seeing Chairman want to me coming back right now. Or the sun come away, Abra Chairman want to be bushing for everyone who feel a muhia and more effinity.
No, be a more mobile me. I stated it emphatically. Say, I cannot do anything about it.
Okay.
Until I know there is on record.
Okay.
Say I told them, so I cannot do anything about it. Until they didn't buy one better energy.
Okay.
Maybe who ne mobile.
Eti appeal na lawyers for no some be kono. Eno ebefa.
As time goes on, I'm better ne we ni so in fairness of, but not enya hibia.
NDC Reg Media on mefi.
Oh, there be on mefi.
Okay.
On mefi.
All right.
Fear the Oma NDC regime.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
And look at that. Apostle Bosseba is reading come now with Apostle Bosseba and Kumudini dear. Or they can be this and come away before I ever talk about the crowd. No, say, Chairman want to mean Yamesa one so. And it's possible, say, that man can emerge to become the national chairman of the MPP party. Name who say there's a prison awaiting him. And some prison that is awaiting Chairman want to know Abin. But according to him, which him say, Aji Onyame. I don't be not Chairman want to meet Tena prison one more than 1 year and share the Bissino, ABC, necessarily more. Subscribe page you name at the business. Send me up with you and on Sabbath market. You couldn't put here and come share a different Edia top on Jinafi, or drink be a once no, no, they are told them.
Or therefore, would the incommode the fat chairman would you?
Yeah,
What just say what who say Yamen Sawan is
that's it.
a national chairmanship, operating with people who said Wababe for national chairman. And that Sabri, what could people and so mean that will be a Yamen Sawan so. And Yamed the name for Shawan was a son of the Nepiana.
Yes, all right, so I think the emphasis that many now said me who only said I'm a canon so no.
Okay.
Na achieve near here for a ye na omohunu see ye. Ampa me can say Chama won't be Yamensa danoso. Na Yamensa danoso.
Still.
That's it.
Okay.
Na Sanyamensa do biswa enchire samani entono.
Okay.
Sanyamensa do biswa enchire se na Yamensa eda Joseph so. But Joseph kopie fiase. Ewo Misrim asase so. Na nene enchire se Yamensa na eda no so ne fi no so.
Okay.
Na se Nyamede ne see for the season and for the time. Even though Chairman won't to me there and Nyamede didn't see. I've said that is not the will of God. It is not the will of God. I've said this several times. Because Senkanipe Tia Semwa,
okay,
can we aim to Chairman won't to me? Messi Subi, Senipe Tia Semwa, how we aim to Chairman won't to me?
Not just a would the incommode ni pebina woman Tiana, now only Chairman Yaquina Kasai. Okay.
Michelle come 2024 election, during the election.
2024?
Yes, during the election. And I'm Michelle Hunkom. I say, me who say Chairman won't to me, Ejina, say na me who at the end of this.
Okay.
2024, na me ye directions, Emma MPSB.
Okay.
And that's a more pre or Macunya. Now, NDC for MPSB 30. I be me table so I say me common constituencies.
Okay.
A quiet direction more. And it's in a Michelle Home say MPP for be lose over 30 seats because na me no dey mayor. So that's here. Enti na me call Akosomo Akoye direction ama the oye MP was that side. Me do around Japan. Is it Japan? One of the towns. And I'm say me drive drive.
Okay.
Me kwa say me ni BA. And I'm say chairman want to me jina prison gate ano. In Sawam.
Okay.
Na prison gate no so no jina gate na no. Ayi prison officers mienu ejina ne nchen. Ona me see there binti me baby parky. And I'm bomb pie said then I coso. And I'm in vision no. At the tour. To me sign by ye no na me bomb pie. And then you see your mom pie my chairman want to me or beko prison. Na say your mom pie na wanya ho akwankyere na prison gate ni bie na oremu is going to prison. But mind you, me who sat na prison gate ni bie.
Okay.
No jina gate na no.
Okay.
And sa video no me be ye wo mama radio na me to ni din say the prison gate.
Okay.
Na me kase me say chairman wuntumi ejina prison gate ano.
Okay.
Enti enam so ma ne nua kuma I don't know so ye ne nua kuma na ne nua beba me sure say ne nua kuma aye friend of Frank entry boy siako e frɛ me. E ma me ni di nkomo na me kase nyamensa e wo ne nua no so. Nyamensa wo chairman wuntumi so pa. Chairman wuntumi ni dia. I say we careful because Nyamensa won so.
Okay.
Nyamensa won so. Emma me ni nua no so din komo me chire mu dia ne papa eye me urade.
Okay.
Yes. Emma no confirm chire me. Me hyenkom chire ne papa nkom. Se ne papa ye niam me urade. Wasoma urade mo wa ya do ya me urade. Na ho na ne nua no chire me se ne papa sisi asori dan bebre.
Okay.
Me urade. Nti chama wutumi wo ho no onam ho kwa.
Now is a pamba.
Oh yeah, yes. You be kind of bosheba. So that's it. Chairman want to me no nyamensa eda so.
Before we priest before an sense some ne buy no. Ne onu akasa kwa ni video bi ababonten a. No onu akasa e kase ye de Joseph kopie mu afiase.
That is it.
Into onu no hu no say oye political Joseph.
That is it.
It is said ne ye be ni bia no onu no nyame yi nesi wo say or a political Joseph. And I said, no, they were copy PSC.
That is it. Chairman Wuntumi is one of the people what they share for Mobifi.
Okay.
What they say, a year fan is saying. A diaba what they share from.
Okay.
Who see now, Obe Pija, Obe Fifi. So I'm just praying. So this will not break him down, but this will rather teach him a lesson.
Okay. Apostle Yenshe. Yade chama wuti me koyi. Debi ameka say Ghana mu achemiru. Ebi ani age.
That's it.
Ebi nso edi areho. And sa wuti eti nkomo ekoso o monte so adodo na e kire say chama wuti me ene nkofo bi ani ne ye. Anura me ni twa video ba ko bi so na ye odike. Ya no wono so e kire odiola chama wuti me de na fam a. Wuti mo say wodi no ani ne ye kra. Asami ba monte so yi ya tete se MPP penifo ni bi kwa frɛ mampeni John Dramani Mahama abra omo che no foforo no se nka omo de cheopa kra kwa akɔpa chew se we de nka omo srɛ se omo nhwɛ na agya ni nua kuma no ka bibia kɔbɔne a ɔmfa nkyɛ ɛma president Catherine Bakɔ no frɛ ne se wɔno krampo de nka de but MPP fo na bi na send the videos se ɔmfa chema wontimi entum enti I say ade na ato chema wontimi no yɛbɛka ne se ɛyɛ spiritual nko a ana wono ankasa ne act bi ne ne ye bi a oyɛ nkɔfo e wa manyosem so ka ho bi na duru ho
asem we dey meka na say menka say ni ye
okay
because as for politics it comes with a lot of things so that's here MPP ni NDC wo ko ye omo nyine didi omo atem bia
okay
omo nyine ka bia you know ye ka bi fa Akufo Addo ho ye ka bi fa Bawumia ho ye ka bi fa Mahama ho the American na say na no akwechiri
okay
ne nkasa ye mu no na no kwechiri because say bia na nka say woka no woka he but this is not something that will influence the judgment
okay
of what has been given him because yenya man judgment now some of us have seen and he already given it
okay
so that's yes Satan a man judgment obi in command 20 years obi in chair no obi in fa no court nti mi ntumi nka se sunsumu no me meka sa se sunsumu nipa me nka se bia asem o ka fa ye man penny ho President Mahama ho asemo ka fa na yere ho ena amana ko pifiase ana so obi a wetia ne na so emra ena ne di ye nti I would just say it is not the will of God for him. It is not the will of God for him.
Okay. Odifo senya wo tre se enye nyame pe e de man no. Udi kan so hu ye.
Yeah.
Ma wo tre se de nwa bi kra fra wo hu.
That's it.
Is it say e was say esi na esi ana bibia no ma nya mfa ho ti na esi?
No, you see, that is why we tell you what will happen before it happens.
Okay.
Emra me won se chama won tumi gina prison gate na no. Omo ye hu bibia nkonko. Because me hu ye na prison gate ni bi.
Okay.
So what I say? Me hu se chama won tumi gina ho no. No gina ho a prison officers ni no gina na nchen. But ni be prison gate no.
Okay.
Ho na nyame ka chem se ye bom paye. No ya kwanchira. Ne ho akwanchira. Prison gate ni embia. Yemfa no nto enkom. But se gate ni bi no onye remove pe, he's going to prison. Nti enenam ho maybe do 2025. 2025 last year. Na me share ho komisa fe me ho se prison gate na eden. E bia cha me butumi enrem. So imagine from that time, you be twaba. Any emra over 1 year. And send a prison gate in AB. That is it. Emma me can prison gate in be as my son on watching. Tenye so much no and I'm back and want some say prison gate be.
Okay.
So that's it. Emma, even this year, prominent pedophobe said the home common. Many people from pedophobe the home common. Nkophobia mesusu say, omo ben no, ombetumi aben ama omotumi ekasa obeti. Say me who say prison gate be. Asem na me see so 2025 no. Masans we see say prison gate ni bia macha mutumi ye de ni rem ha wo ko jail. Na nka me fee say prayer intervention e betumi a save no. Na otu ho anam a e betumi a save no. Say sa message no edu ne nchen yo. Say endu ne nchen yo. Ene de mitumi kire.
Chama won't me asem media kwakoya rehosem.
Ti mutumi say any be parliament no edi nkoma make say
okay.
You know amene no edi ho nkoma. Is there na me send there no message am send there no which me
okay or say I saw the prison gate open and Chairman Wontumi entering the prison and sharing tears. But prayer intervention can save him from jail.
That's it.
From jail verdict because it's not the rule of God.
So I keep saying it is not the will because there is a jail verdict waiting him. Until because a jail verdict as what you see. So now jail verdict no China that.
At the whole
China.
Verdicts no any influenced by anything.
No. That thing has been there since 2024.
Okay.
Me to be the 2024 commission kra achire. And commission me chef an 2024. And sana we nyina e ba be sie. Said there me hu no e wo eniswade hu no. Because I told you say I'm a vision prophet. I follow the visions I see. And I see the things in vision as God revealed it to me. What was it? 2024. You can talk the date.
Okay. 1st October 2024.
That is October. So October, November, December, and October.
Okay, so prophecy. I stood on a hill.
Yes.
And the news I'm hearing all over Ghana is that Chairman Wontumi is going to jail for 20 years.
That is it.
And I saw him pushed into a blue police van to Insawam. Wow. And police van blue.
That is it.
And all cause no yellow, any royal blue.
That is it. And if you say 2024, now me mark say me 20 years. Say you do 20, na me say you wash a blue van.
Wow.
Say police for no any blue van kwano. They have other cars. You be to be wash a beer mo. But then na me blue one. Internal sound come share so na ne brother dey frame me.
Okay.
Ma me kan ho asem chire mu say ya mom pa ya ma ni nuana sei na beto no. Na sei so na beba. Na mom yes batakari adoso. Enti nanu asem no si ya ne bra na frame me aye di nkomo. Wo so di for we die me de obo be ma wo. Na edi for na adoso. E na wo hu say we ye papa we na ka no kore ana we na nka no kore. Ana mo ni ntu sika de ya sei bi pa.
Ewo hu.
Yes, ewo hu.
Okay.
Nemum dia SSC ye ne nemum ye hu na nye na we akoba no. Ti dia ye hia SSC na mpaebo.
When the kind of say ni jail term ne de enye influenced by anything
That
because na that realms ne de that.
Yes.
Sabre woko case no ba ko pempo ne de awie ne ma 20 years no.
For Sabeba, there's another jail term.
For Chama want me again.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, there's another court case I'm seeing. I know so almost be man another jail term in that case. Yes.
And also 20 years.
No, and we do 20 years.
Okay.
I don't be man more than 5 years.
Wow.
I be back away.
Wow. And then come baby say enti sabre before some be kwa appeal. Na lawyers some ba be kwa appeal. Enti can na baby say appeal na wo mo be ko no. Bibi papa betime fi Nazareth aba na e na wasan say another jail term say be can is appeal no ka mo nkwa
No,
na.
appeal no there's some call. The appeal the years will be reduced.
The 20 years.
The 20 years and there'll be a reduction. But it'll be tricky. Yes, it'll be tricky.
Obetimi aba be 2 years 1 year yi.
And then the meet me chirebo. Me TSC ya me mo mpa ye hu say ahena ye beti efre ho ahena be ko, but I know say the years will be reduced for him.
Okay.
But obedem kakra. Na de be sie chire no ne amom mpa ya eno na misiro.
Bibi be sense e chire bi.
Yes. Ye say de be sie chire no wanhwa ye ntia sampa wo prison ho.
Odi for there na bi sie chire.
Arewo.
O say ya na a D4 am no mta ya adwuma ni. Ni kasa na wo twetwetwe break wase mu mta na. No say ne di echa eba no.
Arewo sembi.
Esoso.
Arewo sembi.
E de facha ma
wo se wo bro 3 mu bro 1 year entia sampa.
Because I was in your mensa one so.
Yes.
It's your maid in the quack a lesson.
Yes. You see, he will learn a lesson from because this is not the will of God for him.
Until Obro 1 year, Yentia and Pan.
Yes, send your mensa bit to me also. And then Cofonia may send him Cofosuna, Bibi to mana.
Okay.
Yamensa do be so unto me. Are you getting me? Yamensa bit to me do be by your mistakes. Only ye be, Bibi a way ye be, a bit to me as a son. This in Yamensa that was when just a better than a word and a ball. And then no chase say over half a ball. And then chase your mistake, your mistakes will not catch up with you. Do you get me? That is what I said. Me cancer chairman would have become the national chairman of MPP. And that is the agenda of God for him. But me can say the only thing that will stop him is the prison gate.
That is a sad way he should kiss the chairmanship position. No, bye.
Yes, because I said the prison gate will stop him, and now he's going to the prison too.
Oh, but then MPP for the B. Say Stellano or the Suya national chairman or the ma Ashanti region MPP.
No,
and Stellano.
And I said, I mean,
and one more chest or more year campaign when the Chidia man and the day and
Empha.
Oh, really?
Empha. Because I said the only thing that will stop him is the prison. So if he do not go to the prison, he would have become the national because a chairman would be necessary the national chairman for the MPP. According to the visions of God. Until I'm saying he's going there is not the will of God. Into a man at time.
Wow. And then they made me like I said, Chama won't mean the political career. No, about Rihanna.
Well, if what I'm seeing happens, then that is the end.
Ediana. For that,
me who say, na unu study una news about Ghana nyina. Na Ghana nyina anti asempa. But me to be in Canada, right?
Yenti minye bibia fe ntwasa asempa na yanti ni mu. Se bibi wo ho
na me say they must make sure he's not there more than 1 year. And I says this about more than 1 year sempa boy dey man.
Okay.
Because
is it say na pomudin sisi su yi ana?
Be do baby no beti na pomudin sem no tia boy dey be go hospital. E be hwe no be ba be do eche be ka say they will detect another sickness and well
Never got any member much in my wounds because really a wabusia, a year and ma. Yeah, what Joe now has every
That's the most saddest one. Because you see a near show woman. You see a near show yere. Oh no, father said, dear, you know your woman. You will fear you send your money at sea. Then I will mabao home. Now, you know, who cause share baby, I will she. Now, you could imagine what they'll go through. I won't be, you know, I look at humanity. And I look at what the children will go through, what the wife will go through. So they say, now, about 20 years, now we're the same.
70, because it's so 50.
That is it. So it's sad. It's sad for me because saying, one can, Quebec say, be a one country. But you see, that is what I say, you see. So be concentrated, no be shame will come. Whether you like that prophet or not, to one more.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Whether you like that prophet or not. Because at time no more target me say me NDC prophet. So NDC prophet talking to an MPP auntie. But me NDC prophet. Say me NDC prophet and come in ko boa ba omi amane win in the election.
Oh, okay.
That is it.
I said about me no sawumbi.
Yes, I prayed for him. I did the direction for him.
Okay.
Personally, yes, phone so and I say personally, I visited him. I prayed for him.
Oh, okay.
For him to win. So what does he? Until I am doing what God will lead me to do because Nyame said, "Baumia is so winning." This Nyame said, "Muhammad is so winning 2024 election." Now me share home command, and then just say, you know, me kasa chewa wunti.
Ebusia when ni apostle Bosheba and so Edabeta Bontiaman kofo bibinano and show concern because prophet Bosheba one prophet I can testify say that man he is serious. But be didn't come up. What can say sinu hu nano and Edabeto abon. Just give it to time and say near Wakaya no ebim and I say ebim. Baby Shama says nan ebon pa in Ghana to my family to in frane at near air cost 84 minor. Engineer, comment section one of your audio. Chere what drink to mama. Many how to find J video see. We just come a bridge name me at the man's one. Send me up with Jansona. Unsa a bit more.